Welcome to another video. We have a Harvard University entrance examination question before us. We have x cubed minus 8x is equal to 8. S is equal to what? Let's go ahead and find the values of x. Let's begin. Before we start answering the question, I would like you to consider subscribing to this channel if you have not yet subscribed. We simplify mathematical problems on this channel. Okay, now let's go ahead and answer the question. As you know, this is a cubic equation. We are going to have 3 solutions. Now, to answer this question, we will find one of the values of x by inspection. If we replace x with minus 2, the left-hand side will be equal to the right-hand side. So here we have minus 2 raised to the power of 3 minus 8 times minus 2. And this is equal to 8. Minus 2 raised to the power of 3 will give us minus 8. Minus 8 times minus 2 will give us plus 16. And this is equal to 8. Minus 8 plus 16 will give us 8, which is equal to 8. Since the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, that means that x minus 2 is a solution. So we have that x is equal to minus 2. So this is one of the solutions. Now let us find the other 2 solutions. Let us express this in a factor form. So this is the given equation. Let us equate it to 0. Okay. Now, to find the other values of x, we will divide this expression on the left-hand side by this expression on the left-hand side. Okay? This is the dividend, while this is the divisor. So we have s cubed. Here we have s raised to the power of 3, and here we have s raised to the power of 1. You will notice that s raised to the power of 2 is omitted. We are going to introduce it by using 0. So we will have plugs 0x raised to the power of 2. Okay? Then we have minus 8x, then minus 8. Note that we are going to use a long division method for this division. Okay? S plus 2 is the divisor, so we put it here. The way the long division works is this. We will use the first term of the divisor to divide the first term of the dividend. Okay? Here, the first term of the divisor is x, and the first term of the dividend is s cubed. So s cubed divided by x, this is going to give us s squared. Then we will use s squared to multiply each of these terms. S squared times x will give us s cubed. S squared times 2 will give us plus 2s squared. We subtract. S cubed minus s cubed will give us 0. 0s squared minus 2s squared. This is going to give us minus 2s squared. We bring down minus 8x. Minus 2s squared divided by x. This is going to give us minus 2x. Minus 2x times s will give us minus 2s squared. Minus 2s times 2 will give us minus 4x. We subtract. Minus 2s squared minus minus 2s squared will give us 0. Minus 8x minus minus 4s will give us minus 4x. We bring down minus 8. Minus 4s divided by x will give us minus 4. Minus 4 times x will give us minus 4x. Minus 4 times 2 is going to give us minus 8. We subtract. Minus 4s minus minus 4s will give us 0. And minus 8 minus minus 8 will equally give us 0. Okay, so this is the product of the division, also known as the quotient. The 2 factors of this expression are s plus 2 and s squared minus 2s minus 4. If we equate each factor to 0, we have s plus 2 is equal to 0. And here we have s squared minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Here we have x is equal to minus 2, which is our first solution. And here we will solve this quadratic equation using a quadratic formula. Here we have the quadratic formula. A is the coefficient of the first term, which is 1. So A is equal to 1. b is the coefficient of the second term, which is minus 2. B is equal to minus 2. And c is the last term, which is minus 4. Now let us plug these values in this formula and solve for x. All right, so we have x is equal to minus times minus 2 will give us 2. Then plus minus 2 squared will give us 4. Minus 4 times 1 times minus 4 will give us plus 16. Divided by 2 times 1 will give us 2. We have x is equal to 2 plus minus 4 plus 16 will give us 20 divided by 2. So we have x is equal to 2 plus minus, we can write 20 as 4 times 5 divided by 2. We have x is equal to 2 plus minus, the square root of 4 is going to give us 2 times the square root of 5 divided by 2. So we have x is equal to 2 divided by 2 is going to give us 1. Then plus minus 2 divided by 2 is going to give us 1. 1 times root 5 is going to give us root 5. So the two values of s are going to be s is equal to 1 plus root 5. S is equal to 1 minus root 5. Remember the first value of s is equal to minus 2. So these are the values of x that satisfy the equation. Thank you once again for watching this video. If you find this video helpful and informative, please subscribe to my channel. And don't remember to like, comment, and share. All the best.